In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user to Google Cloud Project. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the Google account that has permission to grant access on this project, typically project owner or a role with IAM admin privileges. First, open the Google Cloud Console in your browser. If you manage multiple projects, glance at the project selector near the top of the page and confirm you're on the right project so you don't change access in the wrong place. Next, open the main navigation by clicking the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. From that menu, choose I am an admin, then select I am. This takes you to the page that lists all current members and the roles they hold in the selected project. At the top of this page, click Grant Access. A panel will slide out where you can add new principals. In the Principals field, type the email addresses for the people or identities you want to grant access to. Principals can be individual users, Google Groups, or service accounts. You can paste more than one address if you're adding several at once. Now assign the right level of permission. Click Select a Role. You'll see predefined roles organized by product area along with basic roles such as Viewer, Editor, and Owner. Use the search box to quickly find what you need. Aim for the principle of least privilege. Choose the most specific role that lets the person do their work without granting extra power. For example, prefer a product-specific role like Storage Object Viewer instead of Broad Editor when someone only needs to read files. If the person needs multiple capabilities, you can add more than one role in this panel. Once you've picked the role or roles, review your selections to make sure they apply at the project level and not at an unintended resource level. When everything looks correct, click Save. You'll return to the IAM page and the new member or members will appear in the list with their assigned roles. Permissions may take a minute to propagate across services, so if access doesn't work immediately, wait briefly and refresh. The person you added can now sign in with their Google account and use the project according to the roles you set. If you ever need to adjust or remove access, you can come back to the same IAM page to edit their roles or delete the entry. That's it, you've successfully added a user to your Google Cloud project.